Hi, this is Cathy. Here is one of our workshops. This workshop is mainly for half-finished block machine. All the machine will be checked and tested in this workshop before printing and delivery. We confirm the block machine leave our factory without any problems. You see? Mobile type. Some of the machine has been ordered, and some is half-finished machine installed. So if you want to receive the machine fast, we can just take time to produce the mold. Or it's half-finished, just lack of mold. Save your time. This side is ready for test. After test, they will be painted and then loaded into containers and sent to port. If you are interested in block machine, please feel free to contact the number on the screen. Thank you. Bye bye.